Hello, my name is Ethan, and I am an SFCM pre-college student. Today I'll be presenting this presentation called Tuplets and Polyrhythms. What are tuplets? Basically, tuplets are the irregular rhythm of a group of notes fit in the beat of another longer note. Polyrhythms are two or more of those rhythms, which are clashed together. The most used tuplets are commonly used because they have an irregularly comfortable number. Like if you want to squeeze three notes into one beat of notes inside of the tuplet brackets. Look at this. Examples include the triplet, the doublet, and the sextuplet. To explain why they work and why, I have used flat.io to create some music. I'll play that example. Magic of tuplets. Not very simple, worth being broken down. They make explaining rhythms easier. How and why do polyrhythms and tuplets work? The answer is not very simple, but I'll break it down a bit, kind of. This is an eye rest. You may close your eyes and listen to me blabber all about tuplets. I'll play this example here first. Yeah, it's the same. I changed the tempo a bit, and it's the same as the regular 4/4 one. I'll talk about that kind of later. You might understand later. Imagine a figure with 3/8 notes in 1/4 note speed. This can happen with even more notes, but with limits. How's that possible? That's the magic of tuplets. Even if the bracket or number is not visible, the tuplet is still there. Basically, the signs convert regular rhythms into irregular rhymes. Like this. Converts into. That's only one example, there can be more. You see, people invented the tuplet because they wanted to fit irregular amounts of notes inside of a beat or inside of some beats. The weird number of the group of notes in the beat of the longer note is corresponding to the number of the on the bracket or at least above the group of notes. Unfortunately, and most time you just have to figure out the length of the tupleted notes. But fortunately, they are more likely easy to calculate, and believe it or not, in some editions, tuplet brackets have numbers such as 5 to 4, 5 notes in the value of 4 like a ratio. Anyways, an equal or above average music person would know the value of the group even without the bracket. Now you know how tuplets work. You can finally understand polyrhythms. Yes, they are hard to play. The next slides will help for sure. Polyrhythms are the cross complex dual rhythms like this. Which means things like the picture I put here. That one is not what I played. It is very complicated. I don't even know if I can play it. How to play them then? Well, I have a few examples on flat.io. Imagine a triplet and 2 regular notes in the bass like this. Then you can arrange them a bit. Put 6 half-beat notes like this, tie them, and then into the triplet, and then turn the 2 regular notes in the bass into a triplet with dotted notes here. You can take a moment to study that, and if you can't understand that, okay, you can search it up also. You'll understand more like that way. The way harder polyrhythms can be dealt with easily, just estimate the value. Look, this is very complicated. What about this? Yeah, I just said that. You'll have to estimate it if you want to play it. But once you play it, you have to estimate it. Otherwise, it'll be very confusing. So my point is that if you don't estimate hard rhythms, you probably won't get it in 1 or 2 days, non-stop. If you have something like 17 to 10, don't worry about it. Just estimate or contact me or any other musician. I guess that's it for today. Thanks for listening. P.S. there is something named a nested tuplet. Thanks.